Oh my gosh, I am so late. Ugh, I was supposed to meet the landlord here at 9:30. It is 9:35. Ugh, I hate being even 5 minutes late. Ugh, just knock on the door. Oh, this is a really nice wreath. It looks like my 9:30 appointment is here. She's a bit late, but let's give her a shot to see if she's a nice person. So here is the kitchen, and here is your coffee that I picked up for you. I took a guess at what you like. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Caramel brulee, that's my favorite actually. Wow, are the countertops real marble? Well, but of course, the cabinets are real wood as well. And the backsplash is subway tile. These features are standard in all of our units. So this is the living room, and it does come with a small wood stove, as you can see here. You know, it really does actually seem really cozy in here. So here's the bedroom. It's pretty spacious, even though it's the only bedroom. Oh, is it coming with the dresser? Yes, so actually the dresser is included. This wall shelf is included as well. Sweet. What's that noise? They're actually just doing some construction in the next unit, but it's gonna be over with this month. Oh good, I really hate noise, so that would definitely be a deal breaker for me. So this is a shared outdoor space. It does come with a grill, so you don't need to supply your own. Wow, it looks really nice out here. There are trees for days. So now we're back in the kitchen. Do you have any questions about the apartment? Well, even though the apartment is cute, I'm really not a fan of all the shiplap. Well, we do have another unit that's available right now. It has cream walls, but the hardwood is not gray. It's brown. Is that okay? Is it okay if we take a look? Certainly. So this is our other unit. As you can see, it pretty much features the same setup. Well, I am liking this one, but I don't know. How many days do I have to make my decision? Let's see. We're actually going to be closed for the holidays, so until December 20th. Well, okay, that seems fair. I will definitely be in touch. Thank you so much for your time. She was actually really nice. I would love to have her as a tenant. Which apartment will Cathryn choose? Find out on the Cathryn Diaries and follow along on Instagram @TheDollHatch.